When one child in a family becomes seriously ill, life turns upside down. Parents spend nights in hospitals and daily routines revolve around treatments. But in the middle of all this love and care, another child might quietly start to disappear. The glass child. Siblings in these situations often feel overlooked and left alone with their own needs. Over time, this can lead to mental health challenges, such as anxiety, depression, or difficulties with emotional and behavioral regulation. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Even when illness naturally takes up a lot of space in family life, no child needs to remain in the background. There are small supportive steps that can make daily life feel more manageable for everyone. It's not about equal time, it's about equal presence. Moments when your child is truly seen, heard, and acknowledged can help them feel supported, which can ease the family's overall sense of balance. One practical way to support your child is through quality time, which is fundamental for a healthy relationship. This can be as simple as going for a walk together, playing a fun game, or simply sharing a quiet moment together. Even brief periods of focused attention help your child feel seen and valued. Talking openly with your child about their sibling's chronic illness can further help them feel included and better understand what their sibling is going through. Alongside these conversations, simple family rituals, like reading an evening bedtime story to the child, can provide a sense of stability and security. At the same time, it's important for your child to spend time with friends, which gives them opportunities to experience normality and develop connections outside the family. These strategies can enhance your child's well-being, improve communication, reduce anxiety, and foster closer bonds within the family. In summary, to support your healthy child can help prevent mental health problems. It's important to validate their feelings, spend meaningful time together, and create opportunities for respite.